Hey guys, this is Joy from Our Style Kenyan. Now, if you don't already know, I was recently nominated for the BAKE Awards, which is the Bloggers Association of Kenya Awards for Best Fashion, Style, and Beauty Blog. Now, with every award nomination, there is an award ceremony. And what's the most exciting part about an award ceremony? It's the outfits. I mean, that's the only reason I watched the Oscars, the Grammys, the Emmys, is to see what people are going to be wearing. Now, I was recently contacted by a store by the name of Kungara, and they offered to dress me for the event. So we're gonna head over to the store, check out the items that they have. I get to pick up my favorite ones, show you guys, and then I get to choose which one I'm gonna wear. So let's go to Kungara. Okay, those were my three favorite outfits. Now, if you guys feel like I should definitely wear a specific outfit, feel free to comment on the comment box down below. Now, if you guys also love these items from Kungara and you really do want to get them for yourself, I'll definitely be giving you guys the information on location and contact info for their store, and also be giving you guys their link and online store so that you can also get them and have them delivered to your house. Okay, so thank you all for watching. If you guys want to see more of these kind of videos, please let me know in the comment box down below and I'll see what I can do for you guys. And also, do not forget to vote for me for the BAKE Awards. I will give you guys the link down below, and vote for Our Style Kenya for Best Fashion, Style, and Beauty Blog. Thank you all for watching. I love